What's up, guys? Today I want us to do a 3-bedroom house plan with a hidden roof in Archicad. We're going to draw the hidden roof in Archicad, and we're also going to do the finishing for these particular walls. We're going to design the roof with CAD image and more. So stay up to the end of this video to know how to design a 3-bedroom house with a hidden roof in Archicad. You can see the roof is hidden. So I'm going to go to new new project. Don't save. We are waiting for this to load. Now I'm going to start by drawing my grids. I'll activate grid. Can place here to see the settings. I don't want to see my grids in 3D, so display in 3D and check this. And I don't want to display in all stories. Maybe I can display in home story only. And then okay. Let me see the label that I'm going to use. I'm going to use A. That's okay. So my first grid comes here. A distance of about, let's say, 1500. That is 15,000. Enter. This grid, I can just move it. I'm using Archicad 19, drag a copy, because I'm having CAD image in this Archicad. So it depends on which Archicad you're going to use. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this grid to all location where I will be having walls. Remember, the grids are always located at the center of a wall. So I'm going to copy this by a distance of about 1350. Move, drag a copy, can hold shift, then escape. I want to move, hold shift D, that is 1350. Enter. Again, move, drag a copy, shift D 300. Enter. Move, drag a copy from here, a distance of about shift D 450. That is millimeters. And then again move, drag a copy, a distance of about 3000 from here, shift D 3000 millimeters. Again I will move this a distance of about 550. I'll move by 550. Move, drag a copy, shift D 550 millimeters. Again move, this time drag a copy, shift D 400 millimeters. move, drag a copy, shift D 200 millimeters. Again, I'll drag a copy by 1050 millimeters. Shift D 1050 millimeters. Move, drag a copy 2350 millimeters. Again, I'll move, drag a copy by 1400 millimeters. Hold Shift D 1400. Finally, I'll again drag a copy by 1350. Shift D 1350 mm. I think we can check the dimension from here to here. Should be around 1200. So that is okay. Now I'll activate, and now this time change this grid. The labeling change to 1. From here, a distance of about, let's say, there. I want to move up to there. Then drag a copy. I'll drag a copy by 1150. From here, Shift D 1150. Enter. Again, move, drag a copy 850. 850. Then move, drag a copy. Again, Shift D 10. That is 1150. Again, move, drag a copy. Shift D 1150. Then move again, drag a copy. Shift D 1700. Then move, drag a copy. Again 1150. And again 1150. Shift D 1150. Again, move, drag a copy. Shift D 2000. Again, move, drag a copy. Finally, a distance of Shift D 500. You can change the grid labeling from maybe 1, 2, 3, and that stuff. So all, and just leave it like that. So let me change this one to the label to 2, this to 3, this one to 4, this one to 5, as long as you know the position of your walls. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're gonna change to B, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. There's so many grids in this direction, so just bear with me. I, just alphabetically. J, K, L. So I can activate tool, select all by Control All in my keyboard, and then with selection settings, so I want to change this one to 2, this one to 5. Let's see. Okay. Now I will start to draw my walls. So we can go to story. You can see the story settings. Just leave it like that. And let's start by drawing our walls. I'll go to design, wall. This wall I'll change to the first one. Then I want to use fireproofing. My wall, I want it to be 150 millimeters. Then not linked. I want this height to be at 400 from 0. Okay, and then okay, so I'm using those settings. My first wall, center from there up to there. Then this wall is going from there up to there. from there to there. From here, there. Up to there. That point. Up to that point. So the zone is coming from here, that point. That point. That this wall is not the way I want it. Press escape, cancel, then undo this wall. I need it here at this grid, not at the midpoint of that. Okay. This wall is stretching from this grid all the way. That point. Okay, this wall is going all the way from here. That point. And this one is going from here, this point, the wall up to here. We have another wall at that grid going all the way. That point, another wall from this point, that point. You have another wall at that point. Now we have another wall, this point. At that point, this wall is coming from here, there. Another wall from here, there. There's another wall from here, there. So let's see the 3D. Okay. Now I'll insert my windows. Go to Windows. I want window window 3. Okay, window 3 is at this point here. Okay, my window is not 2000 here. Let's say about half of this, 1000. This one about 3. Then you can go to other settings, search options, HV grids, go to other settings, opening lines. I want to remove the cross line and check that. Other options and just leave it at that. I will start it there. Those points. Here the kitchen, we also have another window there. And here the porch, we have another window. Now I'll change this window to this multi-sash there. About, let's say, is it 600 by 1500, still to story 600. Search options, we grid and move the crossing lines. Okay, the rest can be just left like that. Let me change this one to about 1000. Let's see the 3D. Let me activate and select all. I want to change this one to it's 1000, that is okay. By or just 1200 by 1000. So that this one will be at about let's say 2100 minus 300 is about 19. So this one is about, let's say 800. Let's see. Just use 1000. I'll change this window back to 600 by 1400. So let's go back to floor plan. Window 1400. So I'll change this to another type of window. The window, say 600 by 700. Change the search options to HP grid. let's say 2 and then 2. Then I want to remove lines, those coastlines, and okay. So all these positions, this one should be about let's say 1300. So at this point, that point, okay. Then this wall I can just intersect with this wall. Just intersect so that it appears properly. Okay. Now we're going to add our. Let's complete adding. We want to add another type of window. Special window. I want to go to empty window. This type of window. This time let's say 1500 by. Then this one here should be about 600. Then 1400. So now this time I will change this one to 2100. I want to insert it as now as a door, still to story 0. Let's say let's say 1200. Then I can insert it here and there. Change this one to let's say 1000. And then I want it to be a bit wider here. So I can just insert it and stretch where I want. So you can see this ready. Okay. Now we can insert our doors. Let me escape. Now I want which type of door? I want that door. I want that door to be style 2. I'll go to opening lines, override. I want to remove those lines. I'll go to door leaf. Door leaf, I'll select this one. Okay, so still to story like it is 0, or let's say 100. That is the thickness of our slab. Then that point, this point, I'll move this door up to that point. Then this wall, just stretch it similarly to this wall. Then activate again door tool. I will insert door here and another door here. Now I can change this one to maybe 800 door and insert the small doors. So let's see the 3D. Now you can see our doors the way they appear. Now this door I can change it to another type of door, the entry door. Let me change this one to metal. Okay, I will change this one to metal door. Change this one to here. Make sure no crossing lines. And that is okay. Okay, I'm changing that, so can add the handle. Then go to door leaf. It's none. Change to this one. Then you can even go to search options. So you don't have search options, just click OK. So all these entry doors can be same. So I can just match property and inject to I'm holding the pressing the scroll button and shift to be able to do that, and I want to inject that. Then let me come to slab. I change the slab to this one, 100. Okay, now this slab I want to use polygonal method. From here, there. That's 3D. Okay. Now I can select all these exterior walls. That wall. So this wall, I need to split it at that point. Can speak this side or this side, so be split anyway. So let me do selection, holding shift, just these walls. Those walls. That one. Okay, I want to intersect. And I'll go to CAD image, covering. I'll go to wall covering. Now this one here, I'll change to this one. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Okay, now main covering, say none. Below steel, that one. Above steel, that one. Horizontal trims, openings. So just say okay. Then pick, I want the covering to be on the outer side. So pick the outer side. So we are going now to 3D. Now this covering is not as perfect. So let me select and activate. Control A to select all. Then all covering settings. Let me go to layout. So this one, the one below should be 300. And this one, the one above should be 22. Let's click OK and see. Ready. We can also add more settings. Maybe let's say we have a covering. Let me go and change to not weatherboard. Let's just use weatherboard. Okay, now if we go to 3D, now I'll go now to first floor. Just ground floor. I want to insert my roof. So I'll activate roof. This type of roof, complex roof. Now this one, I want it to be 2700. This one, I want it to be 8%. Then from there, I'll select this roof. The selection settings. This offset, change it to 0. Okay. Okay, then let's go to 3D. You can see our roof is hidden, but I need to select all walls. Select and activate, select all. And then holding that, select the roof, and I want to trim. Okay, cancel apart from these external walls. So I will uncheck these ones. Before I can trim to roof. Then I want to trim to roof or shell and trim. So let's get ready. So here is our the bedroom. Maybe I can. Okay. Select this roof. Select layer. Hide layer. To hide that layer, and can activate instead of using. I can just use label tool instead of using the objects, just the text, then change this one to black. Just click there, make sure no text is not wrapped, then it is okay. Stop. Just click there and then change wrap text. And this one to 2, then okay. Okay, so I'll go now, add another text. And so this time to exit potty, exit porch, kitchen, dining, room, dining room, bed, bedroom, WC stroke shower. Now this shower, I don't have a door there, so I'll have to insert the door there. This is my master bedroom. Master bedroom. Here's my lounge. Veranda. I have a lobby here and a lobby passage and a lobby. WC shower. lobby, bedroom. Now this one, just select angle change to 90. Okay. I will add a door. Here I will add a door. Sliding door. Pocket door 19. Let me see. No, that's not the door I want. Okay, let's see it's ready. Then I'll go now to edit. I want to add design or options, element attribute. I want to go to layers, show all layers. Okay. Here's the bedroom. Maybe I can draw perimeter wall. We have maybe a perimeter wall there. From here and select all these, then intersect. Then I'll come now to mesh. Then can insert my mesh here. This my mesh is height of 200, negative 200. From there, yeah, from here, back. Then I want to cut. Use this one. It's a polygon. Let me cancel. Cut. Cut from polygon. Okay. So let's see the 3D. This mesh is 200. So this is ready. Let's say at 0. And I'll go to File, Library, New Object, File, Library, Open Object, or let me just go to Door. Here, instead of using this door, I will add a new door. From my desktop, I have a new gate 1. Okay. I want to insert my gate. My gate is loading, so I'll just wait and insert my gate. And then in my previous video, I already showed how to create this fancy gate and then how to save it into a folder so that you can be able to use it every time that you are having a new drawing. So I just use my custom gate which I created, a fancy gate using line tools so that I can be able to use it in both 2D and 3D. So it usually behaves like this. Every time I'm inserting, just to hang my laptop, but because the gate has a complex profile, give it a few minutes to complete and just click OK. I just insert, maybe go to ground floor. I insert my gate. Yeah. Still have to give it some minute to load. Again, just that is okay. Okay, now gate has been inserted. Just give it a few minutes, a couple of minutes to complete, because most people would do this just using the line works, but they do not save it into the library because you can see the way it is making Archicad behave, hanging, and time is, because time is important. I don't want to have most to waste even a few minutes waiting for the gate to load. But for my viewers, for beginners, just can have to do this not to make assumptions. And I can insert another type of door. Just next to my gate, I need another door. So let me show you. You can see why it is best. Most engineers would avoid this, doing this gate, saving to the library so that they can insert it in 3D because it takes some time to wait it to and complete. Because the gate has a complex profile. Okay, I'll go to this page door 19. This one I'll change to, I don't want that, I want shape. Mm, Again, all these walls, my fence, I'll change this one to 3,000. So I can go to 3D and see our our 3-bedroom house plan with hidden roof. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in my next video.